how to download and use TeamViewer on your Windows device. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I'll tell you exactly how you can download and you can view your TeamViewer on your Windows device. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser and you want to search for TeamViewer. Click on this link and now you want to click on the top right option that says free download. From here, go and select your device type, and now you want to scroll down and you actually want to download the TeamViewer full client, and you gotta select your Windows type. So if you have a x64 or if you have a x32, if you don't know what type of system you have, you can check it by going to the File Explorer, and now you want to click on this PC. You want to right click on an empty space and you want to click on properties, and once that loads up on the system type, for me it says x64, so I have to download x64. So go back to your Chrome browser and click on the x64 download. Alright, once that is done downloading, you want to go ahead and open it, and it's going to install TeamViewer on your device. Once that is done, you can go ahead and search for TeamViewer and you can open it up, and boom, you have successfully installed TeamViewer on your Windows device. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.